Hi, good day, Ma'am Maria Bianca. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Maria Bianca Lumibao. I'm 24 years old. I'm married. I have I have one son. I live in Philippines. I li- I I have experience as a domestic helper for 2 years in Philippines, 2023 to 2025, ma'am.
All right. So, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how would you describe yourself?
I describe myself, ma'am. I am hardworking and I honestly, ma'am.
Okay. So, why do you want to apply abroad?
I want apply abroad, ma'am, because I need to earn more money for my child for his study, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any work experience here in Philippines since you are first timer?
Yes, ma'am, I have work experience, newborn baby, and I can do all around housework, cleaning, laundering, ironing, and cooking, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay. So, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay. So how would you take care of naughty children or children with temper tantrums?
Um, I took nicely, ma'am, and explain what is right and wrong, and I try to keep the child busy with educational and fun games, ma'am.
Okay, so how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
Um, I will check if baby is hungry, wet, or is sleepy, ma'am. If not, I will sing to calm them down.
Okay, so what will you do if you become homesick?
Um, if I'm homesick, ma'am, busy. I'm I'm busy to my job, ma'am.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you describe your cooking skills?
Um, I know how to cook Filipino food, ma'am, but I willing to learn uh, dishes abroad.
Okay, so do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
No, ma'am. Nothing.
I'm sorry. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do
I
you
promise.
promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I have in my back.
Mhm. It's not visible.
It it invisible, ma'am. It visible, ma'am. Invisible pala.
Okay.
Visible.
So are you willing to share a room with the children or elderly person?
Yes, ma'am. I understand, ma'am.
Okay. So do
If
you have
emergency.
any okay. So do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How about surgery?
I yes, ma'am. I see is with my son, ma'am. With my son,
In what way? In what year?
ma'am.
What year?
2020, ma'am. 5 years ago, ma'am.
Like last 5 years ago.
Yes, ma'am. Last 5 years ago,
Okay. So are you willing to wake up very early in the morning or sleep late at night?
ma'am.
Are you
Sorry, ma'am.
willing? Are you willing to wake up
Yes,
very early in the morning?
yes, ma'am. I'm willing, ma'am.
All right. So are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. For the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Um, I will do everything I can, ma'am. I will do my best. Please hire me. Yes, ma'am.